What's happening, everybody? How was your weekend? We've been busy getting up some new videos for some amplifiers from Pioneer. We've been testing the crap out of them. We checked out the GMD 9705 5-channel amplifier, GMD 8704 4-channel amplifier, and the GMD 8701 monoblock amplifier. We tested all three of these amps and we're very satisfied with the results we got. They all hit spec, some even exceeded them. These amps are all under $200. They're really reliable, great warranties. They're awesome for a starter system or a low budget system, so definitely check those out. We have some more Pioneer amplifiers that we're gonna test and shoot. We have a DSP from Pioneer that we have to finish. We'll probably be doing a BMW speaker installation this week, so stay tuned for that. Now let's do some top comments. Zephyr's random shit. You need distance between the pop filter and the micro, and between the pop filter and your mouth. I'll talk as close to this goddamn thing as I want. My kingdom for a horse. Are you an American? Sure, sounds like it. No, I'm Taiwanese. On our smartwatch review, Steven, I don't want health on my watch. The other smart stuff is okay. Oh, and the part about the tarp is just stupid. Since when do millennials know how to drive? I thought they just Uber, Lyft, or rode with their parents. Most millennials I know think gym is spelled gym. Well, I mean, you spelled road wrong, so I mean, how smart are you? Brandon Ladd, my mom says she likes 12-inch lengths. Damn, Brandon, you must have just slid right out during birth. On how to set amplifier gains, Cuckoo Bird. Useless tutorial for those who doesn't have all these but just an amp. Typical person here just thinks the world revolves around them. Say hello to your mother for me. Eric Dudley, not a bad price either. Say hello to your mother for me. I will, after she gets back from your grandmother's house. She likes what she likes. Cupcake, dude, I love your presentation style. Christopher McDonough. Aw yeah, I want your butt connector. Save that for the DMs, Christopher. Tal Mahowell. Where is Boston Jim when you need him? I never left. Not really. Say hello to your mother for me. Michael Peters. Bro, why do you use the whack background music? We're trying to learn the wiring. Because I hate you, Michael. Alright, everybody, stay tuned for all these videos we got coming for you in the upcoming weeks. Amplifiers, speakers, DSPs, installations. We got a bunch coming. Go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links are in the bio. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Leave your comments below. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you hated it. And thanks for watching.